You guys, today we are going to organize my small fridge. It gets a little bit out of hand, my friends, because when I cook, I just tend to throw in things in there. But it's time for an organization. Small, easy, fast, quick, my friends. No high-end products using to organize. I'm just going to use what I have, my friends. So come along and clean and organize with me. Let's start by taking everything out of my fridge, my friends. I have a double of everything in dressings because I like to stick with what I like, what we like. Because there's been so many times where we've tried so many new foods and we just don't like them, my friends. So we just stick to what we like. So we always double up on things. So this is what I'm doing here, taking everything out. As soon as I take everything out, just give it a clean wipe. And then I'll be doing the upper part. How is your spring break going, my friends? For us, this is a time where we need to catch up on doctor's appointments. And for me, especially, I need to catch up because I have two cardiologists, one here locally and another one in San Antonio. And he was recently moving, so I needed to transfer everything, all my a medical record from the previous institute where he was. So I needed to transfer it, everything, and I'm working on getting an appointment because I was supposed to see him in February, but because he moved, his office closed, so I need to start everything again. So I got everything done with him. Then my son had an appointment with a new rheumatologist here locally, and we took him to the doctor's appointment. Everything good, thankfully. So I'm just working on my appointments, and when vacation comes around, my husband tends to take some days off so that way we can get everything that we need to do. And my friends, I hope you guys are having an amazing spring break with your kiddos, with your family. We are not going out of town this year because we have some other family things going on, so we're just gonna focus on that. So I hope you guys have an amazing spring break, my friends. Enjoy the time with your family. Friends, this is a quick clean and organize in my fridge. As you can see, I just took everything out, cleaned everything, took out everything that was disposable, that I didn't need anymore, that we weren't gonna eat anymore, and I just put back everything. My friends, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your awesome support. See you in my next video. Bye.